Hello, and good morning or afternoon or evening, whenever you're watching this. It's roughly noon where I am. Um, this is the house that I rent. My doggie. This is the yard I'm allowed to play with. I'm gonna sneeze. Sorry about that. Didn't mean to sneeze, but now the ground that I have to work with is very rocky underneath. There's in some places a couple of inches of soil, and in other places there's like maybe a foot, and some places it has even less than that, as you can tell by the big rock in front of me. Now if we go up the hill, there's a rock there, another one there. It's all over the place. I'm stuck with these things. I'm going to try and find some way to get those removed, but apparently underneath it I can see all kinds of rocks as well. I don't know if you can make them out in here. Basically anything with moss on it are rocks underneath. There are flowers planted here that I have no idea what they are. And then continue back. Obviously the people who lived here prior to me, or even way past me, use this as a dumping ground for garbage, which is annoying. So I'll probably have to clean that up. And then we continue back here. Again, just branches. We've got all kinds of tree limbs and stuff that fell with the storms this winter. Some of them are small, and then you can see over there's some bigger ones. And they just fell off the big trees. And actually, the property goes back farther into the woods that way, and it goes this way as well. Again, more garbage. Somehow or other, I've got to get into there and clean it up because I hate garbage on properties that I'm renting. Somebody's old doghouse. So I've got to figure out where I'm going to plan to garden, and if I want to have them in raised beds or in the ground. But again, like I said, there's not a whole lot of soil. It's a lot of rocks. And it's a lot of the property is basically a big slant. So that doesn't help me any. Don't know why they got big concrete block there, but if I'm remembering correctly, this is oh, I can't even remember the name of the plant. Big flower. Peony roses, that's it, that grows here. Not sure what kind of plant this is. These are or were lilac trees. This one's still alive, but this one is completely dead, and that one is alive, the small one. So the big one in the middle, I'm going to have to get rid of. That's an apple tree, but last year it produced horrible apples. And there's another apple tree over there that, again, didn't produce very good apples. And we've got this dead apple tree. And that little hole there is where a woodpecker has made his home. Now, I'm not sure what, obviously I can't show you what The flowers are here because they haven't really sprouted yet. But the butterflies love them. That is a white rose bush. And while it's pretty, when it first blooms, the minute it rains, everything turns brown and it's gross. Those, I believe, are tiger lilies. There's a bundle of things. It looks like a dead thing, but it does. So yeah, some kind of a bush. Sorry about that. My camera battery died. Then we've got all other kinds of little things planted around here. And then we got some ground, more rose bushes and stuff over there. So I literally just got to figure out where I'm going to plant and what I'm going to plant. So I have good space, I just don't have decent soil. But again, come along with the journey and we'll see what I do.